Okay, so I know it is not just me. And now I know for certain because I just got the first text message coming in about it. Hey, this is Brenda Meller. Are you noticing that LinkedIn messaging is wonky today? It is not just you, and no, you have done nothing wrong. Let me show you what's happening right now. I'm going to share my screen, go out onto LinkedIn. So, first thing, it started happening probably a half hour ago today when I clicked on messaging. I was searching for messages from someone and I tried to click on my starred message and they weren't coming up. And I said, I know I have more than one starred message that's there. So that was the first clue that something is amiss here. The next thing is I visited someone's profile and the messaging button was gone. Let's see if it's here for Michelle or not. It's here right now. But a little while ago, I tried clicking on someone's profile to send them a message, and the messaging button was gone from there as well. Going back into the messaging inbox, I was searching for an email from my friend Christopher Johnson. And when I click in search through messaging for his name, nothing was coming up in the search results. It looks like it's coming back now. Something is happening here. And here is my hypothesis. When you notice changes like this that are happening, or something that seems a little bit off on LinkedIn, you might even be getting error messages like 404 or page not found. That is not you. That is LinkedIn. They're working on platform changes. And what happens is LinkedIn actually never takes the site down when they implement new changes. What they do is they just do them in the middle of the day, like they're doing right now. And they don't tell us. And all of a sudden we all start talking to each other. Is this just happening to me? Is it happening to you? So once I start hearing from people in my network, I know it is not just me, then I email all of you because you are on my VIP email list. If you're noticing wonky things happening in LinkedIn messaging today, you're not alone. My guess is LinkedIn is implementing some new changes that are impacting messaging on LinkedIn. We won't know until later on today or probably tomorrow what those changes are, but this is my prediction. Something new is coming into LinkedIn messages. Hey, if you found this helpful, let me know on comments below if you're watching this on YouTube or reply back to my email. Or maybe send me a LinkedIn message. Have a great day. Thanks.